Hi everyone, my name is Maria Carta and I'm in charge of communications here at Sterna Abogados. And today we're gonna talk about the non-lucrative visa, which is the non-profit visa. It goes by many names, but ultimately I think everybody really knows it as the non-lucrative visa. But I would like to start by saying that this is not a visa, it's a residency, okay? So the non-lucrative residency. So the first thing that I would like to do is explain what this residency is all about. Basically, this residency is something that anyone could apply to as long as they meet the requirements. And if approved, this residency allows the person to come live in Spain legally and reside here. What are the big things that are very important that we have to keep in mind? As its name says, non-lucrative, this visa or this residency does not allow you to work in Spain, okay? Now, one of the most important requirements is that you must meet is the economic resources that you must have in the bank in order to apply. As of now, June 2019, the amount is 25,817 euros that you must have in your bank account, plus 6,454 euros for each additional family member that you will bring with you on your non-lucrative residency. Okay, so basically this is a non-profit residency, basically. And it might be of interest to you if you want to retire, if you want to come here, live in Spain, and you have that economic resource, then you could do it and come live here, no problems, legally, as long as you meet the requirements, which are the monetary requirements that I just talked about, and also that you do not work in Spain. Okay, now let's talk about the required documentation that is very important. First of all, you will have to show your criminal record certificate from all the countries where you have lived in the past 5 years, okay? Even if you lived in Spain, you also need to turn in those criminal records. And also you have to show proof that you have a private medical insurance. Now, let's talk about some of the advantages of this residency and why it's so great for those who are able to apply. First, it does allow you to obtain permanent residency after 5 years, otherwise known as a long-term residency, or we say in Spanish, residencia de larga duración. Basically, as I said, initially, when you apply for the non-lucrative residency, it is given to you for a year, but you can renew it, and you can renew it as many times as you can. So, if let's say it's your case that you apply for it and it gets approved, you get your year, and then you keep renewing, after the 5-year period, you can obtain or you can apply for the permanent residency here in Spain, which is different because that one will allow you to work. Okay? Second advantage of the non-lucrative visa is that the time of this residency does count towards the time required before you can apply for the Spanish nationality. This could be 1 year, 2 years, or 10 years, depending on your specific case. Now, what are some limitations? The first one and most obvious one is that you're not allowed to work in Spain, okay? And the second one is that you can be outside of Spain, meaning traveling, a maximum of 180 days a year, okay? So those are the two limitations, no work and a maximum of 180 days outside of Spain. So if you're someone who would like to retire, or you simply have the economic resources and you would like to come and live in Spain legally, then the non-lucrative visa is an option for you. We have amazing lawyers that are experts on this type of residency, and we can definitely help you in your case. If you have any other questions, you can call us at the numbers below, or you can send us an email at info@esternaabogados.com.